has just hit a direct hit by a very violent tornado. Look at that. Look at that. Very violent tornado has just gone through Barnsdall, Oklahoma. Barnsdall. I'm trying to pronounce it correctly. Look at that explosion right there. Right as it passed through Barnsdall. Look at that. You're about to see that debris signature just explode right as it passed through Barnsdall. Look at that. That is a huge tornado that it just went through Barnsdall. Oh my God. Words cannot even describe what is going on right now. We have a monster tornado, 113 touching negative 98. This is an EF4 tornado. This is a high-end tornado that just went through Barnsdall, Oklahoma. Very violent tornado. Very, very violent tornado. Look at that correlation coefficient values, 0.4. Very low CC values. This is a tornado emergency that is in effect for Barnsdall, Oklahoma, and points north and east. Unbelievable. Words cannot even describe what is going on. Look at that. 0.2. 0.2, guys. This is a tornado emergency. This is a tornado emergency that is in effect for Barnsdall, Oklahoma, and points north and east. Now it's Bartlesville, Dewey. If you're in the path of this tornado, you need to be seeking shelter now. This is a very violent tornado that is currently on the ground. Let's check what's going on Twitter, because this is just unbelievable. We have a tornado emergency that is currently in effect. Tornado emergency for Barnsdall, Oklahoma. This is a tornado emergency for Osage and Washington counties in Oklahoma. We have a tornado emergency. Yeah, it's my friend there, so. Yeah, tornado emergency for Barnsdall. The tornado emergency supercell just merged with the parent squall. So the squall line is now merging with the supercell, but there is still a tornado on the ground. The tornado is still on the ground. Look at that, 125 touching negative 106. I mean, look at that, negative 119 touching 125. I mean, this is a very violent tornado. Very, very violent. Unbelievable. Let's check correlation coefficient. Look at that. That is debris. What you're seeing here is in fact debris. You're not seeing precipitation. That is actually debris that is being lofted that high up. Let me turn off storm spotters. Layers, okay. Yeah, that should probably make it a little easier. There we go. Okay. There, you can still see the debris signature there. Unbelievable. 25,000 feet. You can actually see the debris signature. And right as it passed through Barnsdall, you got that debris signature right there. So debris over 20,000 feet. Yeah. Yep, that's your debris signature, guys. About 24,000 feet. So you're definitely looking at least an EF3 plus tornado. Barnsdall just took a direct hit from a very violent tornado. There definitely will be casualties. Words cannot even describe what's going on there right now. Oops, nope. Yeah, I'm just trying to make sure. I'm going to tweet this out to my followers. And if you're watching, please don't forget to like and subscribe. There's a tornado that just made the direct hit to Barnsdall, Oklahoma. That tornado is still on the ground. It looks like it's weakening. However, it's still on the ground, and in fact, there might be multiple circulations now. If there would be a tornado, it would be here and here. It looks like there are two circulations, but this is the one I'd be more concerned about. Yep, it looks like there is in fact a circulation embedded in there. So we do have a violent tornado that is currently on the ground, still in progress. Having just moved through Barnsdall, we have a very violent tornado that just went through Barnsdall, Oklahoma. I have a feeling that the pictures coming in the morning are going to be of absolute carnage and destruction. Even though this looks like a line right here, the bottom part of the line looks like it's squalled out. But if you get any discrete supercells, there is a chance that a violent tornado could form, especially in the head of the line. And that's what happened with the Barnsdall storm. It just takes one tornado, and the whole situation will just go way downhill. Tornado is still on the ground, guys. It's still on the ground. It looks like it's just heavy rain. However, clearly there's lower CC values up here. Yep, right here. That's where your debris signature is. Yep. Look at that. 109 touching. It could be weakening. There's a chance it could be weakening. 104 touching 66. Look at that. You have a very violent tornado in progress still. Look at that. It's still on the ground. Very violent tornado on the ground. Very violent tornado in progress currently on the ground, moving northeast. It is merging with the squall line. However, this looks like it's going to make a possible direct hit on Bartlesville. Bartlesville may have a direct hit from this very violent tornado. So if you're in Bartlesville, seek shelter immediately. There is a very violent tornado currently heading there right now. Very violent tornado. This may track just to the south, but not very sure about that. If it does track to the south, so a very violent tornado. Man, I just cannot believe. It looked like today was going to be a good day, like even though there was a high risk issued, it looked like it was going to bust, but no. Direct hit on Bartlesville. Very violent tornado. I just cannot believe it, guys. I just can't believe it. It finally looks like it's starting to weaken a little bit, but there's still a tornado on the ground. Yep, there we go. There is what's left of the tornado. It looks like it's roping out now. Might finally be roping out, but look, it's still producing debris. So it's probably a drill bit now. It's a drill bit tornado. Well, looks like Bartlesville might have dodged a bullet there, but that was a very, very violent tornado that just went through. Very violent tornado that just went through Barnsdall. Barnsdall was hit by a very violent, I would say, EF3 plus tornado, and it looks like it's still on the ground causing damage. Considering there's still a very tight couplet here of 73 touching negative 48, so 73 touching 48, that usually indicates an EF1 to EF2 tornado. So you still probably have, I would say, a drill bit tornado. So, yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching. I'm heading to bed now, guys. Good night, everybody.